All right, this is a fan system that Gary and I just finished right now. It's Temecula, California. It's a horse barn, nice shed row right here. The customer asked me if we could put mist in it, and I strongly advise that misting fans would be much better for the flies, for the cooling, and just to move the air around. That's exactly what they're doing. It's a little cool here now, so it's a little bit foggy. These are 18-inch oscillating fans. 1,000 psi worth of mist, very strong, as you can see, fogging in the hallways, down these breezeways. We put them about 25 feet apart, seems to be the magic number. We got them right up above a post, so they look nice and clean. That one here on the end, and that goes in their wash bays for the horse, into the stalls for the horses, as you can see. When it's 95 degrees out, it won't be as foggy as this, but it's probably only about 65, 70 right now, so it's pretty foggy. Nice clean install. And another breezeway. We were lucky on this. We got to hide all of our lines up inside those soffits, so it looks real clean. Customer ran 110 switch power to every fan. Worked real nice. And at the end, we ran stainless steel across the top and into a little room that we use for storage, and that's where we put the pump system. Very, very effective here. Right into the horses. Works real well. That's where we tied the stainless steel line in. Brought up and above, got into the wall. A nice little room in here. Tied the pump system into the hot water heater. Ran a line up through the wall into the mist. Unenclosed, 1,000 psi, 1 gallon a minute system. Ran all these, had to pressure down a little bit. And that's it. This is Mike from Advanced Misting Systems, and thank you.